Here's another project I'm going to be working on today. This camper came with this LED system next, and I don't know if you could tell on the camera. You can if you look down. It's about a 3-year-old camper, but the lights are burned out in places, and I don't think this LED system was a waterproof system. It's in this little track here, and I bought some new LEDs. I'll show those off to you. Get to it. I think my plan of attack is pretty simple. Oh yeah, you can see some more lights burned out up there, but I'm going to go ahead and clip the wires right there. You got a red and a black. I'll go ahead and solder some new wiring onto that. I was able to pull the wires out, got them separated. Of course, I turned everything off. Everything's turned off on the inside. And I worked my screwdriver behind here, and it just started coming right out of this groove. So I could just walk right along, pull this out, go all the way down. I don't even have to work on the ladder. That is nice. Man, this is turning out to be a really easy project. I thought it was going to be out here all day. Catch you in a bit. So being your own camera guy stinks. I don't have a tripod to come way up here. But as you can see, I come down the end of my run, and there's another one of these little gaps, little caps on here. Just gently pull on that piece. It just comes right out of there, just like that. So I'll put this up and out of the way. Come to the end of the LED strip. And just like that, the old nasty LEDs are gone. So now I get to test my soldering skills. So as I was sticking this up there, I thought I was forgetting a step, and sure enough I was. How about testing this? Here's the test lighting. I only got a couple feet up. Man, this is a lot brighter. This stuff's a lot brighter. So this is going to be great. It's going real easy. This is going to go up really quick. I'll solder those connections up there. Matter of fact, I might even run. I got another little side project I want to get done, something that did not come with this camper. I might include that in this project. This is going so easily. So anyway, the lights light up, tested, good, right? So here I am, ready for solder. Got the soldering gun out, ready to go. This has been a really, really simple project. Go up this ladder. You can hear me grunting like an old man. But here you can see I got the 2 pieces of shrink wrap tubing on the individuals. I'll get these soldered up here, and then I've got the bigger piece. So I'll get these 2 on, heat shrink it, get this bigger piece over everything, bind it together. I'll put it back in this track up here and do one last test. Red to red, black to black. Easy to do. I've tested it again. It works just fine. So here's the finished project. Let's go up and take a look. I ended up putting some electrical tape. The heat shrink tubing I was using got too soft. So it's a layer of heat shrink tubing, a layer of electrical tape, and an outer layer of heat shrink tubing. So I'm sure it won't work. So this is it. Last look at today's project. Oh, wow. What a difference.